how do you explain the business value of Zerto for AWS? When speaking with the C-suite, you should focus on outcomes that impact the business like lower costs, reduced risk, and increased revenue. And when talking with teams of IT and cloud professionals, you'll want to explain that Zerto empowers confident failovers, provides top-tier protection, and enables multi-cloud mobility. But how does Zerto for AWS deliver on each of these? You can tell the C-suite that Zerto for AWS lowers costs by maximizing your investment in DR and AWS. It's a Swiss Army knife, allowing you to restore files, fail over entire clusters, and move workloads. Also, since it's purpose-built for AWS, it's optimized for AWS services. This prevents companies like yours from needing to tack on more solutions down the road. Next, Zerto for AWS reduces the risk of lost productivity, data and revenue, and reputation damage by minimizing downtime. The result is continuous availability for internal and external customers, so they have the on-demand access to data and apps they expect these days. And Zerto for AWS increases revenue by enabling flexibility as your business evolves, technologies change, and new needs develop. This dynamic growth boosts your bottom line. With IT and cloud professionals, you can explain that Zerto empowers confident failovers. So if they'll be the one to click the failover button when ransomware strikes, they can do so with confidence since non-disruptive testing was done beforehand. Confident failovers promote easy testing, which is always done without impact to production. So instead of leveraging staff to spend weekends on testing, your team can easily test and generate compliance reports in the middle of a workday. Next, customers say that Zerto's cloud option provides top-tier data protection. Anyone can afford to recover their most critical workloads. The question becomes, can you afford not to? And once you're in the cloud, Zerto prevents vendor lock-in and enables multi-cloud mobility by being vendor-agnostic, keeping you in control of your architecture. Many organizations begin using the cloud as a disaster recovery target for their on-prem workloads. Later, they often move some production workloads to the cloud. But what if your needs evolve again? With Zerto, in a matter of minutes you can replicate easily to any of your other sites, another cloud provider, or multiple targets at once without risk, while protecting interdependent applications. Zerto supports hyperscalers as well as over 350 managed service providers. Zerto delivers value at every stage, from easy DR testing and recovering critical workloads to a multi-cloud future that enables your business transformation. So far, you've learned about challenges, how Zerto solves for them, and the value that Zerto brings your business. Then we learned how to present Zerto's business value to the C-suite. And finally, we covered how to bring it all home by talking about Zerto with IT and cloud professionals. Now you're ready to see even more ways that Zerto drives value for customers.